Hi jfam, Gina here. Today I have another FJ unboxing. Yay! This time I actually brought scissors. So let's go. Alright, so there's 4 boxes in here. And we're gonna pull them out and show you. Or I'm gonna pull them out and show you. So the first box is the new Moonchild collection from Fragrant. And we're going to open it with our scissors. Okay. So this is the first time I'm seeing this collection. And my husband ordered 3 for me, so I really hope I enjoy it. So it comes like this. So this is it. Let me turn my light down so you can see better. Okay. This is it. It's called Moonchild. And it's really pretty because it has these stars. Cute. It smells really good. Well, as always, I'll put the scent notes in the description or in the video. Let me turn the light back up. So here's the stars with the light on. I really like the smell. And this is the bath bomb. Super cute, super pretty. Cannot wait to see what this looks like in the water. I'm actually going to take a bath tonight, so I'm super excited. So I can use this. And yes, the bath bomb does smell like the candle. So here's the set in size 10. And I have 3 more of those. I'm not going to open them on camera because it's the same thing. Yeah, so that's the same thing. I will put a video of what the bath bomb looked like when I'm using it in the video when I'm done. And I will show you what the candle looks like lit also. And I will do a ring reveal. And then here I have a little box. Okay, so this is literally my favorite bath bomb from Fragrant. It's called Recovery, and I love it so much. I could literally take a bath in one of these every single day and never need anything else again. It's lavender and peppermint, and it's called Recovery. It's just one of my favorite scents. I love it so much. And yeah, I like this because it has, I don't know if you can hear it, but it has salts and herbs, like actual flowers in it. So it's just really nice and natural. Makes me feel great. Makes me feel super relaxed. And yeah, I used a lot of these after I had Jonah, just to like get my stress off because I had preeclampsia. And so it really helped to bring my stress down. I mean, obviously I didn't use it for like a few months when my body was healed all the way, but yeah, it was one of my #1 bath bombs that I used. So yeah, that is the Moonchild collection. I cannot wait to use it. Can't wait to show you guys how it looks. I'm super excited. I love FJ products, and I'm happy to review them for you guys. So give it a thumbs up if you like them too. And thank you guys for watching. Bye jfam. Love you. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you everything I got. And here's the Moonchild candles. And the bath bombs. And the Recovery. So here's the candle lit. I had a little unfortunate accident and broke the candle when I was taking it to the living room, but we flex taped it and all it's good now. So it's burning, smells good. Can't wait to get the ring. I put it in a bowl also because I don't know if it's gonna hold all the I don't know if it's gonna hold all the wax. So if it ends up spilling out, then at least I have something to catch it.
Start